In problem number 30, we're given some information about a function and we're asked to rank these values in order from least to greatest. So remember that they gave us a graph of y which equals f prime of x. And they're asking us to discuss values of f, f prime, and f prime prime. So let's set up a little map legend to keep our thoughts straight. If you want to discuss f prime prime, we need to differentiate both sides of this equation. If we want to talk about f, well, we'll need to integrate both sides of this equation. Okay, now let's get our plan moving forward. If they gave us that f of 1 is negative 2, to find the value of f of 2, what we would have to do is take negative 2 plus the integral from x equals 1 to x equals 2, which can be represented graphically as some type of value of this area. Now, we can't get an exact value here because we don't know what function that they gave us, but we can tell that the positive change in x and negative change in y is going to make a negative value, and it's going to be some value which is less than negative 2. Okay, that's just for starters. Now let's find f of negative 2. So we just did that. Let's find f prime of negative 2. Well, f prime, you can tell, is to be found by identifying the y value. So in this function, when x equals 2, the y value of this graph is 0, which tells us that f prime of negative 2 is 0. So we have a negative number in 0. Finally, let's find f prime prime of negative 2. Well, to find f prime prime of negative 2, we're going to have to look at what the value of y prime is. And even though we can't find an exact value, y prime is the slope of y at this point, where x equals 2. It's clearly a positive slope. So we have a negative number, a 0, and a positive number, and this will allow us to put these in order from least to greatest. The negative number is least. The negative number was f of negative 2. 0 was f prime. I'm sorry, f of 2 and f prime of 2. And then the positive number was f prime prime. So negative, 0, positive, from least to greatest. This matches option letter A. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.